Hello travellers, so today I want to do a really quick first look and hands-on with the brand new backpack from Ebook, which is called the Max backpack. As you can see here, it is much larger than their other backpacks, and I can tell you that it is very much fully featured as well. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the outside of the bag, and I will just quickly say that a lot of the small fine details are subject to change. Like for example, the color of this zipper is going to be slightly different and match the bag a bit better. So there's a couple of fine details on the bag that haven't yet been completely finished. This is a pre-production model, so just keep that in mind as I'm showing everything. But everything else, like the size and the pockets, are basically how they're going to be in the final product. So on the outside you get quite a lot of these attachment areas where you can attach a carabiner. This one here and here. And then on the bottom of the bag you also get a couple more here, here, and on the other side it's the same. On this side you get a grab handle, and there's another little attachment point here. And at this point here I've just used to thread the loose part of the backpack strap. But I don't think that's actually what it's designed for, because it does also have an included elastic strap to hold the backpack in place. So I'll just start with the front top pocket here. So this one gives you quite a lot of space. You have a little pocket down the side here, and then a nice big pocket here. So you could put documents or cables or pens and stuff in here. These are also little attachment places here. There's 3 of those ones, which are great for attaching a carabiner or something else. And then on this side there is a little slip pocket, which I have my sunglasses pouch in. And this pocket's the same as on their other backpacks. It's kind of like a little signature pocket, and it's great for just storing like your wallet or keys. And there's also a couple more little attachment points just in here. And the other good thing is this has 2 zips, so you can either have it zipped up at the top or zipped down at the bottom. So this main front compartment is designed to have all of your packing needs, and then there is like a rear section here, which I'll get to in a moment, but this has weather sealed zips, and this is for all your technology and things like that. So you will notice too that there are some really nice quality zips on here. They're very thick and they have a really nice zipper pull on there. So if we take a look inside the front compartment here, it opens up with quite a nice amount of space, and you'll see you get 2 zips here as well. This one is like a little front pocket. You could put like a passport or cables, stuff in there. And then the lower one you get like a nice mesh one that's quite a bit longer. It goes all the way down to the front pocket there. Now I've just packed a few packing cubes in here as an example. These are the Bluffworks packing cubes, and this one's just got some clothing in there. So you can pack quite a bit in there. I could actually be able to fit quite a bit more in there than that as well. Now if we just take a look at the inside of the bag here, you'll see that there is a pocket just down the side here and a little hook cable. There's quite a few of these little hook cables around the bag, and I believe these are for attachments, possibly for future attachments. And there's also these little hooks on the inside as well, and they go up the side of the bag on each side. So you get a lot of different places to hook adjustments and carabiners, or tie strings or straps to organize the inside of your bag. So this pocket here is actually a part of the drink compartment, so I'll just get to that right now. So as you can see, it all fits in there nicely, and I still have quite a bit of room to spare. Now this here is for all you drink bottle lovers. I know there's a lot of people that love a nice drink bottle holder. This is actually one of the best drink bottle holders that I've seen on a backpack. So you can see it has a slightly stretchy material here to make the drink bottle holder really sleek when you're not using it. And when you're using it, the drink bottle pocket actually expands into the main compartment of the bag, as I was showing you before. So you can actually have a full drink bottle in here and then zip the bag up with the drink bottle inside, which is a really great idea. And I don't like having a drink bottle hanging on the outside, so this is a really great idea. Now there's quite a few more little pockets on the outside. So this one here is a really small little slip pocket, as you can see, and that slips about the size of a passport standing up. So you get a fair amount of room just down there to slip different items. And the last thing on the outside of the bag is that there is a luggage pass-through strap here, so you can put that on your luggage if you are carrying this in addition to other luggage. And another cool thing is that this is a magnetic sternum strap, so you can see this little magnet in there, and that clips together really nicely, and it's a very secure fit as well. Alright, so the last compartment here is the laptop compartment, and you can see it's got a waterproof zipper. So the interesting thing you note about this laptop compartment is it only goes about a third of the way down on this side of the bag, but it goes down just about all the way on this side of the bag. So the reason for that is when you're holding the bag or you're checking through airport security, you don't want the whole back to just flop open. So it's quite a nice design. It kind of holds the pocket partially closed. It still gives you enough space to reach in there and grab out your laptop when you need it. So taking a look in here, you'll notice down the bottom there is a zip here. And that actually gives you a really nice document sleeve. And up here you notice there is an additional hidden pocket, and that gives you nice little extra pockets in there which are felt lined, and that would be great for, you know, phone batteries or cables, other stuff like that. And if you look further down into the bag here, you'll notice you have a big laptop compartment which is fully padded. It's fully padded, and it actually has a nice false bottom, so the laptop won't hit the bottom of the bag with the padding. It's very well padded here, and the padding has an extra bit of padding so that the laptop won't be damaged if the bag falls on the ground. Now you also do have another little felt pocket here. That'd be great for possibly an iPad or an iPad mini or cables, and then a little extra pocket here which could be good for pens or other stuff. So that was a quick look, and I'll just mention quickly as well that in terms of the weight of the bag while empty, I think it's somewhere around, if I remember correctly, it's somewhere around 3 pounds or just over 3 pounds, or about 1.5 kilograms. So it is fairly heavy. It's on the heavier side for a backpack, especially for me. But I will put the exact weight down the bottom here. But aside from the weight, that's probably the only main thing I don't really like about it is the weight. But I do like the design with the 22-litre front compartment and the really comprehensive laptop compartment in the back. And I love all the outside pockets, and the grab handles are very comfortable. I will just quickly mention as well that they've thoughtfully added a little loop here which will help you hang the bag in bathrooms. And the padding on the back, especially on the straps, is extremely thick and very nice and durable, and it feels very comfortable to wear. And you'll notice also that the padding on the back panel here as well is very thick, and it feels extremely comfortable when you're wearing the bag. There is actually one thing missing though, is that there is no load lifters on the back straps here, but I've never felt those were really 100% necessary. So that's it, a really quick first look and hands-on with the brand new Ebook Carry Max backpack, and this will be available on Kickstarter. I have the links below if you do want to check it out. Thanks very much for watching, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.